Hello everyone, welcome to Think Academy's math class, and today we will talk about columnar addition and subtraction. So at first, we will reveal the meaning of the place value, okay? Have you ever learned this kind of place house? So normally for the number like 23, there will be one ones digit and one tens digit. So for number 23, with the digit place house, we can see how many ones are there in 23. There will be 3 ones in 23. How many tens in 23? Take a look. Which number is in tens column? There will be 2 tens in 23. So with this, everyone, we can solve out the equation with larger numbers, like 23 plus 35. When there are some larger numbers and we need to do calculation with them, we can't do mental math directly. What can we do? We can write them in the column. So think about it. In number 23, how many ones are there? There are 3 ones. So write down number 3 in the ones column. And in 23, how many tens? 2 tens. So we can write down number 2 in the tens column. And then we're doing plus, right? Then just write down plus here. And then we're adding 35. Still ask yourself, how many ones are there in 35? There are 5 ones in 35. So we can write down number 5 in the ones column. You see? Same column, because the 5 means 5 ones. And how many tens are there in 35? 3 tens. So we can write down number 3 here. And now everyone, see, we have aligned the digits. 3 and 5 in ones column, 2 and 3 in tens column. And now we can start to do the columnar addition. We will start from the most right side, the ones column. In ones column, now we have 3 ones and 5 ones. So 3 and 5 in total we can make 8 ones. So in ones column, it will equal 8. And then in tens column, we have 2 tens and 3 tens. So 2 tens and 3 tens. In total, we can make 5 tens. So 5 tens means you can just label 5 in the tens column. It can represent 5 tens. Then we can solve it out, which is 58. Okay, makes sense? And sometimes the number in ones column will be larger. So let's see, how can we carry some number to the tens column? Okay, give me 1 second. Okay, so now we have one question, which is 23 plus 39. The second number is a little larger, right? But no worries, still we can align the digits at first. Put all the numbers in the column. So still in 23, how many ones? 3 ones. How many tens? 2 tens. And in 39, how many ones? The right side number, 9, can represent 9 ones. And how many tens in 39? 3 tens. So add 3 here. So everyone, now we're starting from the ones column, right? In ones column, we have 3 ones and 9 ones. So basically, if you have 3 circles and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 circles, you add all of them. Now we have 12 ones in total, right? 12. But can we write down 12 here in the ones column? We can't, everyone. In 1 digit place, we can only write 1 digit. So for the number 12, everyone, in 12, we can find 1 10. So we're going to split the 12 to 10 and 2. Why? Because these 10 ones can be 1 10. 1 10 can be carried to the tens place. It means 1 10. So now we can carry a little 1, label a little 1 dot on the top of tens column. And now for ones place, this 10 has been carried up, right? So cross it. And in the 12, only 2 will be left. It means only 2 ones will be left. So we can just take a look. 2 ones will be left. We can just leave the 2 here in the ones column because the 10 has been carried to the tens column. So only 2 will be labeled here. And at the same time, let's go for this tens column. Remember, there is one carried 1, okay? In tens column, we have 2 plus 3, which is 5. 5 plus the carried 1, which is 6. Then we can sort it out. And remember to fill in the blank. Okay, so I believe for now it will be easier for you. And maybe you're confused, how can we do subtraction in the column? I will share with you, okay? So give me 1 second. So still we can use number 23, okay? But this time we can do minus. 23 minus 12. 12. Let's have a try. So we have learned how to align the digits, right? Write down the numbers in the column. So now, still I can label tens and ones. So still ask yourself, in number 23, how many ones? 3 ones. In 23, how many tens? 2 tens. And 23 are going to minus which number? 12. In number 12, how many ones? Take a look. 2 ones. How many tens? 1 10. And then draw a line. Still, everyone, do remember? We just talked about which column should we start with? We will start with the most right side, the ones column. So for the ones column, we have 3 minus 2, which is 1. And for tens column, we have 2 minus 1. Tell me. 2 minus 1 will be 1. So we can solve out. The answer will be 11. And for this kind of question, it's quite easy, right? So do some practice. And now Chloe will share another interesting milestone with you. Sometimes when we're doing minus, like maybe 23 take away 15 this time, what can we do? Give me 1 second. Okay, so still write down the numbers in the column, okay? I believe you can do that, which is 23 take away 15. So now for ones column, everyone, you can write down 2 here. 3 take away 5 will be 2. Now everyone take a look. 3, how can we take away 5 from 3? It's not enough. 3 is too small, right? So basically 3 take away 5. Now 3 is too small. 3 will be quite side. 3 side. Oh, my friend number 2, can you help me? Can I borrow some number from you? And number 2 will say, yes, of course. I'd like to give you some number. So number 3 are going to borrow a 1 from the number 2. And remember, the 2 means 2 tens. If we borrow a 1 from number 2, then 1 10 will be left. At the same time, 1 10 will be given. Because we borrowed the 1 10, right? 1 10 will be given to number 3. This 1 10 means a 10. 10 will be given to the number 3. So now for the number 3, we add 1 more 10. It will be 13. 10, the given 10 and the remaining 3 can be 13. Can you follow me? Great, okay. And now for the ones column, basically we have a new question. 13 take away 5. How can we do it? Do you remember we have learned how to split the number, right? So 13 take away 5. You can take away 3 at first. Split number 5. 13 take away 3 will be 10. And 10 take away 2 will be 8. So it will be easier. And now we can write down 8 here. That's for ones column. And then for tens column, now take a look. We only have 1 left on the top. 1 take away 1 will be 0. 0 means nothing. Skip it. So it will be number 8. Okay? So sometimes if you're doing minus and you see, okay, the top number is too small, then borrow a 1 from the tens column. And remember, when you are borrowing a 1 from the tens column, you are borrowing 1 10. So add 1 10 to the ones column. Okay? I believe you can do well.